you're not alone. In today's hyper-connected world, staying reachable is crucial. But is your current business phone system making things easier, or is it adding to the chaos? Imagine a world where calls, texts, faxes, and even video meetings all happen seamlessly through a single unified platform. No more juggling multiple apps or scrambling to find the right number. That's the power of RingCentral, a cloud-based communication solution designed to streamline your business interactions. But what exactly can RingCentral do for you? Let's dive into the reasons why businesses of all sizes are ditching their traditional phone systems and making the switch. Reason number 1. Unleash the power of mobility. Gone are the days of being chained to your desk phone. RingCentral keeps you connected on the go, allowing you to make and receive calls, texts, and faxes from any device, smartphone, tablet, laptop, you name it. This flexibility is a game changer for sales teams who are constantly on the move, or remote workers who crave the freedom to work from anywhere. Imagine closing a crucial deal while you're at the airport, or participating in a brainstorming session from the comfort of your home office. RingCentral empowers you to stay productive and connected, no matter your location. Reason number 2. Break down communication silos. In today's collaborative work environment, seamless communication is key. RingCentral breaks down the silos between different communication channels, integrating voice calls, video conferencing, SMS, and team messaging into a single, unified platform. This means no more switching between apps to send a quick message or schedule a meeting. Everything you need is right at your fingertips, allowing teams to collaborate more effectively and get things done faster. Reason #3. Boost customer satisfaction. Customer experience is everything. RingCentral equips you with the tools to deliver exceptional service at every touchpoint. Features like call routing, voicemail transcription, and auto attendance ensure that no call goes unanswered and every customer inquiry receives prompt attention. Plus, RingCentral's crystal-clear audio and video conferencing capabilities make virtual interactions feel as close to face-to-face meetings as possible. This not only improves customer satisfaction but also fosters stronger relationships. Reason number 4. Simplify your IT management. Let's face it, traditional phone systems can be a nightmare to manage. With RingCentral, those days are over. Being cloud-based eliminates the need for expensive hardware and complex maintenance. The system is constantly updated and maintained by RingCentral's team, freeing up your IT staff to focus on more strategic initiatives. Reason number 5. Scale with your business. One of the biggest advantages of RingCentral is its scalability. As your business grows, your communication needs will too. RingCentral seamlessly adapts to your evolving requirements, allowing you to add or remove users as needed. This flexibility ensures you're never paying for more than what you need. Security concerns? RingCentral has you covered. Security is paramount, especially when dealing with sensitive business communications. RingCentral takes security very seriously, employing industry-leading encryption protocols and data safeguards to ensure your information is always protected. RingCentral, the all-in-one communication solution. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, RingCentral offers a comprehensive communication solution that can transform the way your business operates. With its robust features, user-friendly interface, and scalability, RingCentral empowers businesses to increase productivity and efficiency, enhance collaboration, improve customer satisfaction, reduce IT headaches, scale with business growth. RingCentral isn't just a phone system, it's a communication revolution. So, if you're ready to ditch the outdated and embrace the future of business communication, RingCentral is definitely worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.